ẹ̀yin tèmi ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá délẹ̀, ọ̀rọ̀ tó wúwo délẹ̀, ọ̀rọ̀ gidi délẹ̀, ọ̀rọ̀ tó máa mẹ́kun àgbà gìjìgìjì, ọ̀rọ̀ tó máa ṣèkì ọmọ kékeré. Kò ní bàjẹ́ fún yín, mo bẹ̀ yín lórúkọ Ọlọ́run, ẹ bá mi farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ wo fídíò yìí látòkè dé parí. Àwọn tán ti jó lólùfẹ́ mi tán wà nínú ọgbà yìí wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé àwọn ò ní bú mi nítorí pé mi ní múṣà wá. Tí ò bá rí bẹ́ẹ̀ àní mo wá bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yẹn come across fídíò yìí, ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ read along the lines. Bọ́ kí n tó tẹ̀síwájú, ẹni tó bá sọ pé kò sí ìdájọ́ àbọ̀ Ọlọ́run, ẹnìkan ò sí níbì kan tó ń pè lọ́lọ́run. Pẹ̀lú gbogbo táwọn rí tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí, kọ́rọ̀ ti lọ fógún ọdún, kó ti lọ fọ́gbọ̀n ọdún, kó tọkàn dìde lọ́jọ́ kan píp kó dé appear. Kò ní bàjẹ́ fún yín. Kí n tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ story yìí, a máa nídìí ìrànlọ́wọ́ ẹnìkan tó ń pè ní Mr. Gani Ajiboshi, Mr. Saheed Ọ̀pẹ́rẹ́, Mr. Ọ̀ra Saheed pẹ̀lú ẹnìkan tó ń pè ní Kuam. Gbogbo àwọn tí mo dárúkọ yìí wọ́n jẹ́ ká mọ̀ wípé wọ́n wà ní Olúwọlé passport office. Wọ́n láwọn náà lè testify sí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí. Reason tí èmi fi mú fídíò wá tí mo fi fẹ́ ṣe fídíò ni wípé mo ti come across many people tó ní àwọn like Saheed Òṣùpá yẹn ó good jù, orin ẹ̀ wà in depth, ó máa ń kọ́yàn lẹ́kọ̀ọ́, àmọ́ ibi jàgídíjàgan ìwà burúkú tán ló ní lọ́wọ́ yìí náà ni. Kódà wọ́n lóun ló sun irinṣẹ́ Malaika tó ṣe rà nígbà yẹn ní year 2000. Ẹ̀yin tèmi ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lágbára lénìí. So láti change mindset ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn tó ní understanding, agbọ́ adẹ̀mọ̀pọ̀ ni pé peace ti wà nínú ilé orin, bọ̀ ṣé àwọn òtítọ́ tó ti lọ lọ́jọ́ tó ti pẹ́ tán fi tag èèyàn léèyàn burúkú tá a bá rí ẹ jẹ́ ká try láti reveal ẹ̀. Kò ní bàjẹ́ fún yín, ẹ stay tuned, let's read together please. Only as you all know, source tí mo ti rí kíní tí mo fẹ́ kà fún yín ní Facebook ni mo ti rí, mi tí ní dárúkọ page yẹn for now, mi tí ní dárúkọ ẹ̀. So as you all know, this page was built on truth and sincerity. Anything that will destroy that foundation, please count me out. Our mission is simple: unity, peace, and full protection of our main man's legacy. Recently, during the interview between KS1 Malaika and actress Wazila Coded, the issue of Malaika's burnt instrument came up again. That painful massa incident around 1990 to 2000. But to my greatest surprise, many Gen Z fans are still linking that tragedy to King Saheed Òṣùpá, Àyìnlá ọmọlọ́mọ tí ò mọ nǹkan kan. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n tẹ̀síwájú. Let me say this loud and clear. Òṣùpá had absolutely nothing to do with that incident. Many people will believe because wọ́n ti come across nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ kà yìí. Let's go back to the real story. Around 2005, I was at Savageor bus stop, Oshuolale Sound Studio, when this same topic came up among fans. A man, a true die-hard fan of KSO, and an eyewitness, gave us the full story that day, and today I must repeat what he said so that the truth can finally rest. According to him, the whole issue began with a man named Adeyemi Adesanya. Ẹjọ́ bá mi note orúkọ yẹn ẹni tó bá mọ ẹni tó ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Popularly known as Bobono Godai, a close friend and helper of Malaika. When Malaika traveled to the US, Bobono Godai helped him in many ways and their bond grew strong. Later, when Malaika returned to Nigeria, he paid him a friendly visit. Ibi ọ̀rọ̀ gangan ni o, mo ti wọnú ọ̀rọ̀ báyìí o. Ibi tẹ́ máa ti pay attention ní ẹjọ́. Later, when Malaika returned to Nigeria, he paid him a friendly visit at his home in Crystal Estate, Mile 2, in the company of some Lagos Island boys. some Lagos Island boys ẹjọ́. Unfortunately, those boys later returned to rob Bobo No Go Die. Àwọn tó ń sin màlá lọ sí ilé Bobo No Go Die. Àwọn tó ń jẹ́ some Lagos Island boys. Wọ́n padà sí ilé máa yẹn láti lọ rọ́ọ̀bù máa yẹn. They carted away valuables including a very expensive wristwatch. Ẹjọ́ expensive wristwatch ẹ máa rí níbi thumbnail yẹn tó gbé yín wọnú channel yìí. Days or weeks later, when Malaika came to perform at a show in Maza-Maza, which was the same area as Crystal Estate, níbi tí máa yẹn gbé Bobo No Go Die yẹn gbé náà tí àwọn boys màlá ti lọ rob. Màlá padà lọ play ní àdúgbò yẹn. The man, OPC security men, saw that same wristwatch on Malaika's wrist. Agbo tí wọ́n ní àwọn boys yìí, Alhaji Sule Alao Malaika tó ń jí nílé Bobo No Go Die. Wọ́n wá náà rí that same agbo lọ́wọ́ màlá nígbà tó ń perform ní àdúgbò yẹn ní week or days later tí incident yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀. They confronted him about it, asking how he got the watch since it was believed to have been stolen from their master. What started as a confrontation soon turned into a heated argument, and in the confusion, one of Malaika's SAS police that on SAS escort allegedly fired a shot that killed a young boy in the neighborhood. Oyinbon ọ̀pá ọmọ ọlọ́mọ. Story yẹn dẹ̀ yẹ ká mọ̀ wípé ọmọ yẹn náà ni ọmọ kan ṣoṣo tí àwọn yẹn ní. That tragic death angered the entire community. In retaliation, the crowd attacked and set Malaika's musical instruments ablaze. That was the full story. Not Osupa, not any rival, not industry beef, just a chain of unfortunate events. Please, we should stop spreading rumors just to tag Osupa as evil person. So kí wọ́n padà sí orí line yẹn sìn. And those who knew about that era, according to him, are Gani Ajiboshin, Saheed Opere, Ora Saheed pẹ̀lú Kuam tí gbogbo wọn wà ní Olúwọlé passport office. They can testify to these facts. Even though I was young back then, I had always followed Osupa passionately. Not because I want him to know me personally, because that has never been my intention, but because I love his truth, intellect, and the message in his music. I'm not here to insult anyone, but the truth must be told. Let's stop rewriting history to please biases. Osupa had no connection whatsoever to that Maza-Maza tragedy. Joshua and telling me, Sir Mala might choose to revisit the past, which I think is not necessary anymore for peace to reign. But when people, especially the fans and the haters, try to twist the narrative to paint another man's black, silence becomes guilt, and we will never stay silent in the face of falsehood. Let's all enjoy our favorite artist peacefully. No one is dragging another's greatness, but truth must not die because of fan bias. To those who knew the whole story as mentioned above, like ẹ jẹ́ kí n tún orúkọ àwọn people yẹn dá, tó bá lè jáde, tó bá lè bá ṣe, ẹni tó bá mọ̀ wọn, tó bá lè bá ṣe fídíò pé ṣé irọ́ ni máa yí pa àbó òótọ́ ni nípa narrative tó fún wa yìí. Gani Ajiboshin, Saheed Opere, Ora Saheed pẹ̀lú Kuam. The Indomie generation needs your voices to confirm this once and for all. Help out. Torí irú àwa yìí náà ká tó jẹ́ die hard fan Òṣùpá. Àti kọ́kọ́ sọ pé irú èèyàn wo ni máa yìí tó lọ jó irinṣẹ́ onírinṣẹ́. Lọ máa ṣèyàn lọ́ta jẹ́. Tàti sọ oríṣiríṣi kọ́lọ́run ṣàforíjì fún gbogbo wa. Because no matter how long lies travel, truth will always catch up. Bí rọ́bà lọ lógún ọdún ọjọ́ kan báyìí lòdòdó àbá. Ẹ ṣé gan, kò ní bàjẹ́ fún ẹ bá mi subscribe sí Akọ TV, ẹ bá mi share, pábánbárí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ comment. Ṣé ẹ ní idea bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ anything nípa story yìí? Kò ní bàjẹ́ fún yín. Ẹ jẹ́ ká yọ ẹni ẹlẹ́ni nínú ẹrẹ̀ ìdọ̀tí tí wọ́n ń forúkọ yìí látọ̀dún tó ti pẹ́. Ẹ ṣé gan.